FDA cleared, the wrinkle reducer uses red, amber, and infrared light to penetrate the skin, diminishing the appearance of deep lines and wrinkles. Katie and I are here to show you the NuFace facial. We're going to give you pro tips on how to get the best out of your NuFace device for your clients. And do you have any questions before we begin?
Can you show me how to switch out the attachment heads?
Absolutely. So there's a release button right on the back of your device. Go ahead and press that. Detach your attachment, select your desired attachment, press the release button again and hold. Snap in your attachment and you're ready for your treatment. Press your device on. Allow the attachment to calibrate, so it's gonna flash 3 times. You don't need any gel primer, so we want you to do this treatment on clean skin. And then go ahead and place it on clean, dry skin. Step 1 is right around the nasolabial fold. Step 2, right underneath the eye area. Step 3, right around those crow's feet. And then you're gonna repeat those areas on the opposite side of the face. And then the last step is right on the forehead. And I like to slightly lift when I'm doing the forehead, because what I find that it does is it opens up the eyes as well as really reduces those deep lines and wrinkles that we tend to develop on the forehead.
How long is this treatment in total?
If you're doing the full face, it's gonna be 21 minutes, but you can just spot treat, which is 3 minutes per area. What I like to do is go in and really do what we call a secret step. Go ahead and place the Trinity Wrinkle Reducer right on the lips. So if you have clients that have deep lines and wrinkles, this is a step you have to do on them. 3 minutes, you're gonna see results. And then you're all done. I hope I showed you how easy NuFace is to use in all of your facials. Follow us on social for additional tips and tricks, and have an uplifting day.